Latest on the Mekedatu row between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu's Water Resource Minister Durai Murugan and other senior officials met Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and submitted a memorandum. So the row between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu over this issue has only intensified, with Tamil Nadu being unrelenting over scrapping of this entire project. Now we are getting to know the Water Resource Minister of the state and other senior officials have decided to meet with the Water Resource Minister, the Jal Shakti Minister, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, and also has made a submission of a memorandum explaining the Tamil Nadu's point of view in this entire issue. Okay, so remember there is a dispute now between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu over the Mekedatu Dam, where Tamil Nadu does not want any further reduction in the flow of water to their state because of this dam. Therefore, they have raised strong objections to it. Karnataka, on its part, is trying to assure that the construction of this dam will not in any way hamper the flow of water to Tamil Nadu. Clearly, the Chief Minister, M.K. Stalin, not convinced about it. Now, a submission of a memorandum is being made in this regard to the Water Resource Minister, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. A day after Tamil Nadu CM M.K. Stalin replied to his letter, Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has reiterated that Karnataka is going to go ahead with the Mekedatu project and will fight it out legally. He has further added that the project will benefit both the states. Recently, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa had written to M.K. Stalin on this issue, following which Stalin had rejected B.S. Yediyurappa's offer to hold bilateral talks and instead told Yediyurappa to scrap the project entirely. So, two completely opposing views on this particular dam, where one side, the Karnataka side, believes that it is not going to in any way hamper the water flow to Tamil Nadu. The other side believes that the construction of this dam is going to reduce the water supply from the Kaveri River to the state of Tamil Nadu, and therefore they are opposed to this idea. Let me go across to Mugilan joining me on this big story that we are tracking. So, Mugilan, first tell us more about the memorandum that is being submitted by Tamil Nadu Water Resource Minister along with top officials meeting Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Clearly, Tamil Nadu is not willing to take a step back on this issue, and they are going to tooth and nail oppose the construction of the Mekedatu Dam.
Definitely, following the last 2 weeks drama over the Meghadatu issue and a reservoir at the Markandeya River, we saw the Tamil Nadu Water Resource Minister directly going to Delhi and meeting the Jal Shakti Ministry. And what we could hear from the Minister Durai Murugan is that he says that there is an assurance from the Jal Shakti Ministry that the Meghadatu project will not happen without in consultation with the Tamil Nadu state government. And as far as the Markandeya River project is concerned, the minister, what we heard from Tamil Nadu minister is that the union minister have confirmed that a tribunal will be formed at the earliest. So now, as far as these two demands are concerned, the minister says that they have enough assurance from the Jal Shakti ministry that these projects will not happen with the consultation from the Tamil Nadu, because Tamil Nadu state government have repeatedly raised this issue, stating that the Karnataka should not go ahead with the project because that will affect the interest of Tamil Nadu farmers. And more importantly, in the meeting today, the Water Resource Minister Durai Murugan has also informed the Union Minister that the Karnataka government has so far not released the water that has been that was stipulated by the Supreme Court also. So now the Union Ministry have confirmed that they will take action and speak with the Karnataka government to release the water that was stated as per the Supreme Court order also. So now several things seems to settle here, because after the Tamil Nadu Water Resource Minister meeting the Union Minister, now there is an assurance that we're getting that the projects, that is either the Meghadatu issue, the project will not go ahead, even though the Karnataka government have obtained a DPR from the Central Water Resource Commission. The project will not happen without consulting the Tamil Nadu government, that is a low riparian state. And as far as the reservoir, the tribunal for the reservoir in the Markandeya River is concerned, the Union Minister have assured that a tribunal will be formed at the earliest to solve this issue also. So now, as far as the Tamil Nadu government is concerned, this issue, that is the Meghathatu issue or the Markandeya issue, is now seems to be settled for now.
All right. Okay. So let me check on that with Neha as well. Neha, what we just heard from Mogilan is that the Union Ministry has agreed to the formation of a tribunal which is going to look at all these contentious issues, because clearly what has happened is the offer for bilateral talks that the Karnataka government and the CM made was clearly rejected. So they are not in favor of having a one-on-one bilateral talks. The centre's involvement is necessitated. Now, will the tribunal in that sense resolve issues? Will this be a long-drawn consultative process going forward?
Afrida. In fact, what we understand right now is that the Karnataka government over here is firm on its stance to actually, go ahead with the Meghaddatu project, and which is why, in fact, even the Chief Minister has put out a press release on this front, again reiterating the same, that the Karnataka government, in fact, will actually go ahead with their decision to construct the Meghaddatu Dam. What, in fact, the Tamil Nadu's minister over here, Water Resources Minister, has in fact raised is the question of the DPR, or the detailed project report, which Karnataka has already submitted. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what happens, because right now this matter lies with the Supreme Court and the Union government.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us, Neha, and Mogilan for giving us the fresh inputs on the story.